Are you painfully single? If you're like me, you'll be spending a lot of quality time by yourself this Valentine's Day. Hey you're looking good today. Thanks, me. Don't worry, I'm here to teach you how to make a romantic dinner for one. First step, open the box. Step 2, take it out of the box. Wow. Take the plastic film off. What step number are we on? I don't even know. Step question mark. Put the TV dinner inside. And now we wait. Pro tip, as you wait, stare out the window and have a small existential crisis. If you like that extra feel of sadness like I do in my dinners, don't even cook it fully, just leave some cold patches that still have some ice in them for that extra taste of sadness. Don't forget to set the mood with one sad, lonely candlelight. Romantic. For a fun extra touch, you can picture yourself talking to yourself as you eat. Hey Lauren, how are you? You sure are great company. This isn't a weird video to film at all. No, nobody's gonna think this is weird.